Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to put a hybrid Grand Vitara or a hybrid Toyota Hyryder into maintenance mode. The reason behind me making this video is to help people who own these car models and they want to do a pollution check which has completed a year. So you will have to follow the procedure which I show you, because a hybrid car always starts on EV, that is electric mode, and you cannot do a pollution check if your car is in electric mode. So let's start. So the first procedure is you press the power button 2 times. 1, 2. After pressing the power button and your car is in P mode, what you do is you press the accelerator 2 times. 1, 2. After that is you press the brake and pull your gear shifter to neutral. Once it's on neutral, again what you do is you press the accelerator 2 times. 1, 2. Then again you press the brake and push the vehicle back in parking P mode. So after putting in P mode, again you press the accelerator 2 times. 1, that's 2. And after, on the display it's going to show over here code, and it is shown as maintenance mode active. So now what you do is that you just press the brake once again and press the power button once and the car will start. So now your car has started. So after doing this, following this mode, you can do your vehicle pollution. Thanks for watching the video, and please do remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.